What's up, guys? It's D. Kufel again here with another video. This week we are going to be talking about Haxcms. And I just built a quick website for this week of COVID-19, which is the coronavirus, which is ruining all of our lives. And I'm just going to show you some things I did, and just like how to use Hacks, because in the past weeks we've been doing a lot with web development, and this is just another platform to build another type of website. Overall, before I jump into things, this was probably one of my favorite ones. I thought it was pretty simple to use. The only things that were troubling was I'm usually a Safari person, but I had to use Google Chrome for it because it would glitch out. And uploading YouTube videos for some reason would glitch out the whole website for me. I've tried it for over an hour, and every time I post a YouTube video, it would just do the same thing where a picture would pop up, and it would just be a million images of the YouTube video. So here's pretty much a basic home page. If I want to edit it, I'm going to go to edit page. I'm going to type in whatever I want. Okay, and let's say I write my information down. That's awesome. I could change the fonts and colors and all that. And then let's say I want to add anything. I could literally paste in anything I want. I could literally paste any image, any video, any GIF. So that's very easy and understand to use. So I'm going to save that quickly. If I want to, here's just some page details. I could change the title of my website. Very easy. I could add a page. If I want to be like, hey, we didn't talk about this or we didn't talk about that. We could talk about Penn State students that are affected by COVID-19. You get the point. So that's also a very basic tool we could use. Just going down the line. If we want to delete a page, I'm not going to do that. We delete this whole page. And then edit site outline. Like if I don't like the order of what I'm seeing right here, I can move how it spreads up here, all by using all of this. So I would say this is a pretty basic website builder. Definitely the one I recommend out of all the ones we learned so far. It's been my favorite. I actually enjoy doing this project because this is actually happening right now because I'm not at school anymore and I'm stuck at home. So it was very cool to learn about things. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Added some memes in here. And definitely check it out. And that's pretty much it from D. Kufeld. I'll talk to you guys later.